Hi, today we are going to talk about tour packages. So, if you are in need of creating an automation where you can constantly create tour packages PDF files for your customers, then this video is for you. You can see I have created a tour package kind of file in this Google document wherein I have created all the elements that you typically find in a tour package. And along with this, I have also created a tour package database in Notion where I've created all the elements corresponding to the database. So like we have tour name available over here, we also have added tour name on this Google document. Similarly, we have locations, the days, the start date, end date, all the fields which you see in the database are exactly the same fields which we have created in this Google document. A key thing to understand is that whatever fields we have created inside double curly brackets on both the side, like the tour name, location, start date, end date, number of people, these are the fields which will be fetched from this Notion database and will create a PDF file one by one, fetching the values for every row of the database and create a PDF file utilizing this document. So in this process, we will automate the entire process and will create three PDF files utilizing the database as well as the Google document, replacing the placeholders. So how this will work? First of all, head over to PDFOutput.com. This is the tool which will help us automate the entire process. Click on Get Started. And once you click on Get Started, it will ask you to authenticate and then you can proceed further with the setup to create the automation. So click on Continue with Google and choose one of your accounts where you want to use. So let it open and then I will select one of my accounts which I can use for this automation. So let me retry this once again. So select one of your accounts, and once you're logged in, you will be able to see an interface like this where you need to connect the Google document as well as the Notion database. First, let's connect the Google document. So I'll click on Connect Google Docs and select the particular account where the Google document is located. Click on Continue and make sure you give access to this particular part where you need to define the access so that it can create the PDF file for you. So make sure this is checked. Scroll down, click on Continue. So the Google document is connected. Let's connect the Notion account. Click on Connect Notion and we need to connect the Notion account. So let's first get the database name. So I'll copy the name of the database from here, go back to PDF output and open up that window which you have over here. Choose the particular account for which you are using in Notion. Okay. Once it is selected, you can click on select pages and paste that value over here. Click on the tool package database which you can see. And once it is selected, you can see the database is been added. Let me remove the other ones. So we have the tool package database added. Click on allow access. And the database will be added up over here. Okay, so click on select template for the Google document. Click on browse templates and let's copy the template name from here. So I'll copy the template name, go back to PDF output and put that name inside this field and search for the document. So tour package is this one. I'll click on this, click on select. So it is showing me the tour package document. Click on this and click on use this template. Okay, so we have the template available. Let's click on select database. It will show us all the database which we added. So click on tour package database. Now it will take us to the auto mapping section where it will automatically map both the things and it will help us generate the PDF file. So you can see it is showing 18 placeholders have been mapped. Only one placeholder is not mapped. Okay. So if you click on show preview, you can see all the fields and how they have been mapped. So this is the Google document placeholder and this is the mapping which has been obtained from the Notion database. So let's scroll down and you can see an amount value has not been mapped. Okay. So I'll click on hide preview and you can find the amount value from here. So let me scroll down and let me see where the amount value is located. Okay, so this is the amount value. So click on this drop down and you can select the amount value from this list. Okay, so I'll just click on this amount value and the mapping is complete. Click on generate. Since we have three rows of data over here, so it will generate three PDF files. So let us wait as it is generating the PDF file and then we can view it. Okay, this is very easy and simple to set up. Just add the document, add the database and the automation is ready. So make sure whatever placeholder you are using, you are putting it inside double curly brackets on both sides exactly the same name you are creating in a Notion database. Okay, so it is now generating three files. So let us go to the downloads folder. Let us check. So this is the first PDF file which has been generated. This is for Goa relaxation getaway. So if you check the database, we have this row of data created. Okay, so you can see North and South Goa 4 days 3 nights. Okay, so North and South Goa 4 days 3 nights, and the date is 20 November till 23rd November. So all the fields have been properly mapped. Group size is 2, price is 9999. So everything is precisely mapped. Okay, so it just fetched the data from the database, dumped it on the Google document, and created the PDF file. So let us check the second one. Second one is golden triangle, and all the fields have been reflected over here, obviously. And let's check the last one. This is majestic Kerala, and all the fields have also been mapped once again. So basically, it just fetched all the values of the data from the database, and it created this automation quickly, where you just needed to map both things and create the PDF file. So likewise, you can use any template for your requirement. This was just a demonstration. If you are in need of reaching out to me, just send me an email at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.